Hey, I'm Carmen. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna cook for you. So if you watched the first part of this series, then you know that ever since McDonald's came out with the Sweetie Meal, which is a Big Mac and chicken nuggets, I've been craving it like crazy. So I've already made the chicken nuggets, and if you want to watch that first, click on the link in the description below. And now it's time to make the Big Mac. And I'm gonna start off by making my Big Mac sauce. So the first thing I'm adding is mayonnaise, and I'm gonna say it's about, I don't know, half a cup, quarter cup. Basically what I'm gonna do is 2 parts mayonnaise and then 1 part each of ketchup. So about half of what I did of the mayonnaise. And then another part of mustard. That's probably good. Some finely diced onion, about, I guess, like 1/8 of an onion, really finely diced. I'm adding that in. Super finely diced pickles. This is half of like a medium-sized pickle. Worcestershire sauce. I'm just putting in like a dash or 2 or 3, I don't know. And I also have, I don't know, maybe like a half a teaspoon or up to a teaspoon of white vinegar. I have some sugar. I'm gonna add, I don't know, just a little spoonful. And that's it. I'm just gonna mix this all together. Let me just taste that. It's good. So I'm just gonna put this in the fridge, and then we're gonna start working on our patties for our Big Macs. Okay, so before we can actually make the patties, we need to do a bit of prep work because, as you know, a Big Mac has that piece of bread in the middle of the burger. And so what we're gonna do to make that is take the bottom part of one of our buns and we're gonna just slice off a thin layer of the crust so that we can toast both sides. All right, so I have my ground beef here and I have clean hands. And I'm actually just gonna form them into a ball for now because the way that I'm gonna do this is I'm actually gonna do it as a smash burger, which means I'm going to just put the whole ball of meat on the griddle and then I'm gonna smash it down, and that's gonna make sort of like a crispy edge, sort of uneven burger. So I formed the ground beef into balls, and now to make the burgers, I have my skillet, which is very hot now, and I also have a piece of parchment paper and a heavy duty spatula, which is what I'm gonna use to smash my smash burgers. So basically I'm gonna put the burger in here, then I'm gonna put on my piece of parchment paper and smash it down. Okay, that's one. Gonna do another one. And while these are cooking, you can also be toasting your buns. I toasted mine in some butter. And these aren't the perfectly round burgers that you're gonna get at McDonald's, but they have a bit more character, I think. So I'm gonna try giving these a flip. Oh yeah. So they're nearly done. At this point, I'm just gonna sprinkle on a little bit of salt. I didn't season my beef at all because I don't think it needs it. Just a bit of salt while you're cooking it, and then that sauce is really what's gonna bring you the flavor. So I think these are done now. Time to assemble the Big Mac. So I'm starting with the bottom part of the bun, and to that I'm gonna add my Big Mac sauce. Pretty big scoop. Now I'm just gonna put a bit of finely diced onion, some shredded lettuce. Now it's time for the cheese, and I'm using Kraft Singles American cheese. I think it has a time and a place, and that time and that place is on a Big Mac. So that's what I'm doing. Put that on. I'm putting on the first patty. And now it's time for the middle piece of the bun that we created. Another layer of Big Mac sauce on the middle layer. And some more onions. And some more of that shreddis. I'll stop calling it shreddis. Some more shredded lettuce. And now for my pickle slices, and I like a lot of pickles, so I'm just gonna go nuts with this. And my last burger patty. And then my bun. I'm so excited to try this Big Mac, so let's give it a go. It's so big. Okay.
It's good.
Honestly, it's better than a Big Mac. Try it at home. Let me know how it went. I'd love to know. And there it is, the sweetie meal. We've got a Big Mac, chicken nuggets, sweet and sour sauce, and fries. And I didn't make my own fries because if you ask me, McDonald's fries are perfect. If you like this video, click on one of these other great recipes and subscribe for more amazing content.